Welcome to miniatures.de, your military miniatures magazine. In this issue, we will be soldering Airfix horses and miniatures to their soft plastic bases. This can be a difficult task when the pegs on the horse's hooves are so short that they do not reach all the way through the base. At least soldering the pieces together provides the most secure bond, since the material used for these miniatures cannot be glued with commercially available adhesives. To assemble this French cuirassier, start by soldering the figure's feet first. That done, it's easy to solder the horse's hooves one at a time. Be sure to hold the miniature and the base at a 90-degree angle before you solder, so that the horse and the man will stand up straight when they're done. Start by soldering the pegs of those hooves first, which reach the furthest into the base. This ensures a good bond, even if one of the four hooves is not soldered perfectly. This cuirassier horse, too, needs to be perfectly aligned before the first hoof is soldered. Otherwise, the horse will not stand up straight later. Now the peg of the second hoof is inserted into the base and soldered when the horse and the base are perfectly aligned. In this case, we need to solder more deeply than usual because the peg is short and is not easily reached from the underside of the base. Once we reach it by digging deeper with the soldering iron, the resulting bond is very secure. George Washington's horse, also from Airfix, is easy to solder because it has all four hooves on the ground. Again, start by soldering one hoof, and once that is perfectly aligned, continue doing one hoof at a time. Here too, we have to melt the material more deeply because the pegs on the hoofs are short and do not reach all the way through the base. Soldering the first hoof is always the most difficult because the base is not attached anywhere yet and is difficult to hold. After that, it becomes easier because the base cannot fall off the horse anymore. In this case, we trim the plastic base before mounting Washington's horse on a magnetic steel base. Right, and this is what Airfix Cavalry looks like once it's securely mounted on its plastic base. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at miniatures.de.